Hello, my name is Anne, and I'm a docent at the California Academy of Sciences. And when I can, I really like to talk to our visitors about snakes. These amazing creatures are often misunderstood. One of the things every animal needs is food. How does a snake eat? Think for a minute about how you eat. Say you have a sandwich. You pick it up with your fingers, you take a bite, and then you chew. And then you swallow. Well, a snake can catch something with its mouth and it can swallow it, but it can't take a bite and it can't chew. Let's see how that works. First of all, here's a picture of a snake. Can you find a snake? Sure you can. It's right there in the middle. But most snakes are ambush hunters. What that means is that they are very quiet, they fade into the background, and they just sit around until they get hungry. And then when they're hungry, and a small animal, or one of their prey items, sometimes it's a pretty big animal, comes by, gets a little too close, and the snake strikes out very quickly and grabs it. Once the snake has the prey item in its mouth, sometimes the prey item is bigger than the snake's head. Imagine grabbing a watermelon with your mouth. Then what do? It can't take a bite and it can't chew. All right, so the snake is going to turn the animal around until it's pretty much head first. And then it's going to open its mouth wide and start to swallow. Look how wide the snake can open its mouth. Can you do that? I don't think so. Check in the mirror the next time you're in the bathroom. You can't open your mouth that wide. The snake has special bones in the back that allow it to open its mouth almost 180 degrees. Whoa. So it can let the prey in that way, but also the bottom jaw of the snake is not attached in the front. Yours is attached in the front, but the snake's will stretch open so its mouth can come open more that way. All in all, that makes a pretty big hole for swallowing something that's bigger than the snake's head. Now, here's a video of a snake swallowing its dinner, and it's being fed a couple of dead mice. Watch how it has to work its mouth to swallow those mice. Now, he swallowed it, and it's going to take him a while to digest his food. And sometimes the snake will sit around in the sun, and that'll help it digest. But snakes don't have to eat very often. They don't have warm blood the way we do, and so they don't need all that energy. And sometimes snakes can go a month or more, sometimes up to a year without eating. I think you'd be pretty hungry. So the next time you have an apple or a sandwich, and you take a bite and you chew, think about our friends the snakes. It's a lot easier for us to eat.